This lesson covers regular French verb conjugations under the conditional. All French verbs belong to one of three verb groups, ER, IR, or RE verbs, and each group of verbs have their own conjugations, or verb endings, depending on the tense, mood, and subject being used. The French subject pronouns are je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle, and vous can also be used as the formal singular version of you, whereas tu is informal and cannot be plural like vous. Under the conditional as well as the future, we simply take the infinitive forms of ER and IR verbs and then add the respective endings afterwards. For RE verbs, we remove the E from their infinitive and then add the respective endings afterwards. All three verb groups share one common set of conditional endings: ion, ie, a. And the conditional endings are identical to the imperfect endings, but as we know, the imperfect and conditional stems are formed differently. For the verb parler, we simply add the conditional endings to the end of the infinitive form of the verb. Parlerai, 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 parlerions, parleriez, parlerai. For the verb choisir, we again simply take the conditional endings and add them to the infinitive form of the verb. Choisirez, 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 choisirions, choisiriez, choisirez. And for vendre, we remove the E from its infinitive form and then add the respective conditional endings afterwards. Vendre, 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 vendrions, vendriez, vendre. And that sums up regular French verb conjugations under the conditional. I again apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not a French speaker. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.